Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to buy USDC on Newton Exchange in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser and come on newton.co. Over here, you will find this type of page where you can basically enter the amount in USDC and it is going to show you the equivalent amount in the Canadian dollar. So you need to enter the amount and it should look something like this. Now here 1 USDC converts to 1.37 Canadian dollar as of today. So here tap on the buy crypto option. After entering the amount, it is going to redirect you here on the next page where you need to agree to the terms and conditions and you need to create your account over here. If you already have an account, you need to simply log in into it. Once you are inside your Newton account, you need to basically follow further instructions in order to provide your banking details or your card details in order to purchase USDC on your Newton account very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.